Hey everyone, today we're reviewing a new AI tool. It's called Syllabi AI. This is a video creation falls from scratch. Now let's log in. You find the link in the description. Now with Syllabi AI, here we are inside. With Syllabi AI, you can generate a lot of things. You can turn your script into a video, edit B-rolls, edit your video, link your social media account. You can generate like this video for TikTok beta. Now you can you can connect all your social media account with Syllabi AI and start create your content. Here you can find all your video you already created. You can schedule your content. Here you connect your social media account, and here you can generate a thumbnail for your YouTube video just in one click. Now let's start with create AI clips with Syllabi AI. Just click on AI clips, and here you just paste your script. I will use ChatGPT and tell him a simple prompt to give me a script video or prompt to generate a video about a football player, and ChatGPT will give me a full script just in one click. Now click generate and let's show what ChatGPT give us. Click generate. Now ChatGPT it's give me this text. Let's copy it and go back to Syllabi AI. Here you just paste it and choose turn script into a video. Click paste, choose the image style and choose you want to create a short form video or long form video, and you can edit a voiceover and music background and other things. Now click generate. Now video it's ready. It's create a video, use image and subtitle and voiceover. You can click on edit the video. If you want to change anything on here, just click on edit a video. Now here you can change anything you want, like edit a new image or change a voiceover or anything other. Let's review the all edit this. Here you can change a lot of things. This is all the image. Here you can edit a title or change the color of a subtitle. Here you can edit a voiceover. Here you can generate other image if you don't like this image. And that's it. If you like the video, you just click download and publish and upload it to your desktop. With Syllabi AI, you can generate a lot of things. It's not only video. If you want to try Syllabi AI, you find the link in the description. And see you the next one. And Syllabi AI will have a 3 plan. It's started with basic plan and business and premium. Standard and basic and premium. That's it.